Yeah, so the ownership pattern is also changing, right? Someone else is going to own the vehicle, someone else is going to operate the vehicle, and someone else is going to eventually use the vehicle, right? And in the same scenario, we see that on the charging side also, the charger is coming from some other manufacturer. The ecosystem or the app it is getting used on is from a different company, and then finally the fleets that are using it are also different. So in this ecosystem play, uh, how do people compete with each other, or there is no competition anymore? It has to be collaboration. So what are your thoughts? Can EV
Right.
create a competitive ecospace, or it has to be collaborative?
Right, right. So I think this is really interesting question because not only the e-mobility sector, but if you see in other, the business models as well. Nowadays, it is not happening that only one company is ruling everything, all the operations. Okay. Even if you see the food delivery. Okay, so there is one mobile application, let's say Zomato. Hotel owner is there. The delivery, the pickup guy is a different company, and in this way, most of the industries are working in a collaborative approach. And I think in EV industry as well, it is one of the interesting model is happening because as you saying, ownership of the vehicle is different, the driver is different, he is serving for particular company, that is again different. So this is the opportunity for many companies to work together in a collaborative approach by setting some standard processes of each and everything. And competition, there will be competition in every sector, whether it is e-mobility or any other, but we have to make sure uh, while doing the competition, we are not making the EV ecosystem at a lower, we are not bringing the standards at the lower end. Okay, we have to keep some standards so that everybody will be in a win-win situation. Competition, we have to see, instead of competition, we have to look into how collaborative we can work with each and everybody. In case of charging also, so nowadays charging is available as a charging as a service. So the owner basically he is not investing in the charger. Okay, he is only giving the space to park their vehicles and some space to install the charger. Okay, somebody else is investing in the charger and the user is again different one. Okay, so this is a collaborative industry. Everybody is coming with their own expertise. Some investors are getting involved. Some manufacturers who have their own technology. We are a CMS company, we are a software company, we are providing the software part, and vehicles are the basically the end users. So I think from the beginning itself, EV mobility is developing in the format of collaboration, and this is a good approach because everybody is getting chance to share their contribute in this developing ecosystem. So the employment is also getting generated, but only we have to make sure that while doing the competition, we are not lowering down the standard of the process as well, the vehicles and the operations as well.